1 in 4 adults has fatty liver disease and most don't know it. Groundbreaking 2020 research reveals who's at risk and how to protect your liver without drastic measures. The term NAFLD means non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's a condition that diagnosed when there is excessive fat buildup in the liver, and at least one metabolic risk factor. A 2020 meta-analysis of 13 million Asian adults found 1 in 3 had fatty liver disease, while global studies show 25% of adults worldwide are affected. But here's the twist: only 5 to 10% progress to develop harmful scarring. The greatest risk is metabolic dysfunction, like obesity or diabetes, not booze. Even lean individuals with hidden belly fat are at risk. Imagine your liver as a recycling plant. When bogged down by sugar and fat from poor diet or insulin resistance, it stores triglycerides in the form of overfilled boxes. Over time, this leads to inflammation, a factory fire, and scar tissue. Genetics also play a role. A single gene variant PNPLA3 triples your risk, especially in Hispanic and Asian populations. While 30% increased risk of cirrhosis is frightening, it translates to just 3 extra cases per 1,000 people. To put that in perspective, smokers or diabetics have 2 to 3x higher risks. But don't despair. A 2020 trial showed that 5 to 7% body weight loss, just 8 pounds for a 160-pound person, can reverse early damage. How much alcohol is safe? Current guidelines say is less than or equal to 1 drink per day for women, is less than or equal to 2 for men, but even small amounts may worsen stealthy damage. Advanced tools like fibroscan now detect trouble early, no needles necessary. Even cirrhosis is not a dead end. Lifestyle change plus surveillance can delay complications for decades. The message: early action equals reversible damage. Let's zoom out. What does this mean for your daily habits? If you're finding this breakdown helpful, give that like button a click and subscribe. You're helping us on our mission to convert complex science into practical health strategies. Before you stress, here's your liver's wish list. Actionable takeaways. Step 1. Measure your waist, not just weight. For Asians, greater than 35 inches in men or greater than 31 inches in women signals risk. For others, greater than 40 inches in men or greater than 35 inches in women. Step 2. Trade processed carbs for Mediterranean staples, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. Studies show this reduces liver fat by 30% in 6 months. Step 3. Get moving daily, no gym required. Brisk walking 20 minutes per day reduces liver stiffness, even without weight loss. Step 4. Request a fibroscan if you are high risk, for example diabetic, obese, or high liver enzymes. Early detection equals better outcomes. This is educational, not medical advice. NAFLD treatment requires personalized care. Always consult a hepatologist or dietitian before making health changes. Your liver is like a loyal smartphone. Ignore the storage full warnings, and it crashes. But with occasional updates and fewer metabolic apps, it runs well for years. Stay tuned, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.